how to remove the unknown locale qaa-tn language. So if you want to remove that unknown local language which is not being able to go away from your keyboard section, what you can do is first from your search bar just search for PowerShell. You can see Windows PowerShell, but right click on it and then open this as an administrator. Once you open this as an administrator, this is the interface you will see. Now I will make sure to leave 3 commands in the description box below, these 3 commands right here. What you have to do is you have to run these commands one by one. So first of all, copy the first command, come to PowerShell, paste it and just hit the enter button just like that. Second command, you want to just come back and copy again and then paste it right here and then just hit the enter button. Similarly, finally, the last command you will find there and you just have to paste that command and then just hit the enter button, and after that you will have to simply restart the computer and that will remove that unknown language. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.